Hey guys, it's Gab. So welcome to today's vlog. Today's video is going to be a day in my life. But right now I can't talk loud because my roommate is asleep. And yeah, I'll get to bring you guys with me today. So it's currently 7:35 and I got up like around 7 because I need to study and I was so hungry, so I'm still eating. So I made bread and a morning drink, but then I have to study because I have an exam at like 10:45. Today isn't going to be so hectic because I only have one class. I'm supposed to have two, one at 8:30 and one at 10, but the 8:30 one walang meeting today, so we're gonna use that time to study for the exam. Tama na, I have to study. Bye.
I just might. Oh, I just might. But first, may I just say that your face got me so intrigued. I'm so intrigued. But what good is beauty if your booty can't find a beat? I don't wanna know, girl. So please don't do that to me. Cause it would break my heart, break my heart, break my heart if I
Guys,
find
I took a nap because I finished reading early. It is currently 10:05. I have to leave in like 25 minutes or like 30 minutes. Yeah, just go to that now. Yeah, let's go. So first, let's choose our outfit of the day. I don't know what to wear. So I like washed up, washed my teeth, and changed na. So let's go and do our makeup. So I'm ready to go. It's currently 10:29, so sakto lang yung time. 10:45, I have an exam. 10:45 to 11:30. So I might have to read a bit before going to the exam. So I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. I forgot to show you guys, but this is the final fit. Chill. Because I only have one class. Bye.
Nagkakatapos lang ng exam namin. Ayun, wala kami nasagot. Mag-wait ka sa akin.
Tapos na kami sa 104 exam. Mamatay, wala akong masagot masyado. Tapos 111 exam ko na. Wala akong kilay.
Tapos ka na? Jai! Hi, what's up? Hello, everyone. Sila back-to-back exam sila. See you, bad! Tapos na ako. Funny naman nakasabit sa ID ko, yung mic. Anyway, kakain na kami, guys. Gusto mo? Okay, see you in A2. Bye. Bulalo! Kuya, dalawang broken mo. Yeah!
Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my guys. inimbitahan ko kayo sa tatlong pwesto namin. Kung gusto nyo ng fruit shake, andito kayo sa kabila. Pakita mo.
Oh, fruit shake. Yun.
Gusto nyo naman ng kape, ito, pinakamabisa, 3 araw, walang gisingan.
Walang tulugan.
Walang gisingan, baliktad nga yung kape dito. Yan,
Sige,
walang
sige.
gisingan.
Oo.
Tapos kung gusto nyo na ng sabaw, pampa-high blood, dito kayo sa Bulalo.
Oh, sige.
Pwede na ito for shoot.
Bye-bye.
I got back sa dorm to change because mag-rehab kami ni Julia.
The mic is on me. Hi guys, this is Blessing. Hello everyone. We're back in the car. Kami. Saan tayo pupunta ulit? Guild. Saan ba? Guild or yung...
I don't know.
Basta mag-adventure kami ngayon. Bahala na kung saan.
Saan mo mas gusto?
Hindi ko nga alam ano meron dun eh.
Sa...
Puntahan natin lahat gusto mo. May 1 oras pa naman.
Sure! Come on, let's do an adventure!
So, punta kami ng mga booth sa Econ. Okay, whatever.
Five for 100. Tama ba?
Hey, Gemini. Yan, father.
500 lang daw. 4-5 in the Disney store.
Again, time check tayo ulit. It's 3:23. We gotta go to the gym! Mag-rehab kami. And sasayaw kami. Wala kami nabili. Ay, meron. Hala!
Give me a beat!
Anyway, wala kami nabili except for this. Baka bumalik na lang kami mamaya. Si 7 pa daw magka-close. Hanggang, ayun no, laki ng Winnie the Pooh. I can see it. But I like the other one more.
500 lang, oy. Kung makita ko yun sa Japan, binili ko na.
Sa bagay.
Yeah, if not,
See you in the gym.
I'll get the other keychain.
Say hi. Hello everyone. We are now in BTC. Mag-rehab kami and mag-dance kami with the #1 dancer in the whole wild BTC, Shakira De Mayo. Ito lalabas yung profile pic niya and all the other edits na nasa comments. Ito na si Sam, guys. May malaking space doon? So, mag-film kami ng sayaw namin ngayon. For our class. Nag-aaway sila. Nag-aaway sila.
Tayo na ba?
Hindi nagani sa amin. Tapos? Tignan nyo to, mga 1 million takes bago matapos. Gago, gumalaw ba? Kasi sabi ko ganito, I didn't do anything! Roll! And then? Punch. Last take.
Yeah, you have to tell us that again.
What? 5, 6, 7, 8. Pagod na ako. Pagod na ako. Dumbbell. Dumbbell. Nasa Epcay na kami, guys. Saglit lang tong nilalabas ko yung camera kasi I can't risk having this thing out in here and baka lumipad yung gimbal ko, no? Hindi pwede. Time is 5:46 p.m. I don't think I can film for any longer because wait. Anyway, I don't think I can film for any longer because lobat na yung camera and hindi ko na-charge yung battery pack. So, yun lang for today. Jules, say bye! Hi! Say bye!
Bye!
Bye! See you in the next one. Bye.